Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 55/100ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 55/100ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 55 by 100. The answer we get is 0.55. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 55 as the dividend and 100 as the divisor. Since 100 doesn't fit into 55, we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 55, making it 550. How many times does 100 go into 550? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient, making it 0.5. Multiplying 5 by 100 gives us 500. When we subtract 500 from 550, we get a remainder of 50. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 500. How many times does 100 go into 500? Exactly 5 times again. We write another 5 after the decimal point, making it 0.55. Multiplying 5 by 100 gives us 500. When we subtract 500 from 500, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 55/100ths converted to a decimal is 0.55. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.